My name is Gardner Beal. I'm a clinical associate professor at the University of Southern California. I've been in USC for the last 30 years. It's a good thing for me because it's a combination of my private practice and also at the university also, so I get both sides of the world. Today we're just going to treat the population of people that needs dental services. We consider it a underserved community, and we're here to treat as many possible people as possible. My specialty is in children's dentistry, but I think we're here to just serve anybody that needs our services. I'd like to thank Sierra Subaru for presenting us with all these hygiene kits that we want to give out to everybody. Thank you, Sierra Subaru. Yay!